Hello class, this is Dwayne again. One last time, last video. That's too bad, I know. Just wanted to touch base with you real quick to finish up this final week. I put a video on there last week, just summing up the business plan and the way we were doing it. I know when we had done a discussion form that you were required to complete, a lot of you were commenting about concerns about bringing the business plan together and putting it all together, culminating in the final project. So I did that video last week and some other things for you. And then I go on Canvas and I see no one's really looked at these. It looks like 2 people watched the video last week, and nobody's used the extra discussion form. So from that point, I'm guessing you guys are all doing pretty good and know where you're headed. So I'm not going to worry myself too much about it. You guys must know what you're doing. But I am here if you need some help. I have this. This is the week schedule for this week. This is just a real quick video just to touch base, make sure we're all on the same page. Your business plan is due by this Sunday, May 3rd by midnight. It needs to be in and submitted through Canvas in the assignment place there. Just make sure you have it done. It'll be deducted 10% every day that it's not turned in on time. So again, the 2 of you that come to class, I'm talking to you. I think we're on a good place. Those of you that are doing this online, I hope you're doing well. I haven't heard from you. Nobody's reached out, so I'm guessing you've got it down and know what you're doing, which is great. Great. But if you do need something, let me know. The final exam will be due next Wednesday. I have it open on Canvas now. By the time you see this video, it's going to be available up on Canvas. You can take the final exam anytime. You can turn in your business plan anytime. You could watch this video today and turn in your business plan, submit the final, and be done with the class today if that's what you like to do if you're ready. But I do have deadlines. Make sure that your business plan is submitted by Sunday night at midnight, and then you've got until Wednesday to complete that final exam because I've got to have grades in after that. If you don't get the final done by Wednesday night, 10% turning it in on Thursday or Friday, but after that it's going to be 0 because I've got to get grades turned in. So, excuse me. So make sure you get that done. If you got any questions, let me know. This is really it. I've enjoyed this semester. I enjoyed you guys that came to class. I enjoyed the interaction I had with the rest of you. I've really enjoyed reading about your businesses and where you're headed. I think you all have some great ideas for some businesses. I think you have a good vision for what you want to do. I hope you chase it. I hope you bring it to fruition. If you do, let me know. I'd like to support you, do all that I can to help you be successful with that. So let me know. Talk with me. Keep me involved. Anytime I can help you out with anything, let me know. Other than that, look forward to reading your formal business plans by Sunday, going over your final exams, and I wish you the best, and have a great summer. Thanks.